Voila, it's me, Mario. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunshine. How are you? So today's video is gonna be a quick little makeup tutorial. All right, so let's get started. It's just gonna be really easy breezy, no pressure whatsoever. Like, if you're really a beginner in makeup, watch this tutorial. I mean, come on, why not? I don't know how I'm gonna hold this at the same time. Do y'all mind if I just like put this right here and I be talking? No? Okay. Eyebrows, because eyebrows make a tremendous difference. Right now I just got my eyebrows threaded. Yes, that is the first step to great eyebrows. Get them done. Let's look at the shape. Let's just look. You see? You see? Pretty darn good. I waited like 2 months. I'm lying. Like a month to do my eyebrows again. And they look really good. Literally for my eyebrows, I use a brown pencil. Now this pencil is 97 cents. It's not about the paintbrush, it's who's painting. Can I get an amen? Yeah, so this pencil is by, I think, like NYC. You can find it at Target. Now the point matters. Yeah, get you a good point on that pencil. All right, this one I can dump. Okay, so I found this pencil in the closet. I opened it. This is from Wet n Wild. Okay, literally just brown. So I know this will already have this little point on there. So we're gonna use this. Now, let me get a little closer, or should I just zoom in? Let's just zoom. Yep, that's pretty good. Gosh. Key to eyebrows, slow strokes. Start from the end of your eyebrow. I think you guys can still see. This is pretty good. All right, don't judge my skin. It's a work in progress. All right, so we're gonna start at the end. And we're gonna draw a tail. Don't go all out of bound where your eyebrow doesn't reach. Start small. Make that Jody connect, right? Now we're gonna go from the bottom. We're gonna go middle to the end now. All right, now we're gonna get closer to the front, but we're not gonna go all the way. Just go that much. All right, and now we line the top. Slow stroke, slow stroke, slow stroke is the best stroke. Now we're gonna fill it in. Just gonna darken it up in those sparse areas. Yep. Lightings make it look crazy. All right, see that? It's fine. Think it's not gonna work out? Let me prove you wrong. Take your brush, eyebrow brush, take that. Now we're just gonna brush from the front. When we brush back and forth, we get a little product on the front of the tips, so we can bring it forward. And we're gonna brush it out. Brush out the brow. I know there's a million eyebrow tutorials, but here you are, you're watching mine. All right, that's it. All right, Boom. Boom already. Can we say boom already? So let's get to the other brow and I'll be right back. Y'all already know. LA Girl Pro concealer. And you guessed it. Fawn. Hey, it's every black girl's go-to. I put some on my hand. And then I get my angle brush. Alright. This is a simple brush from e.l.f. And then we do the brows. With this, we're going to use the same technique as when we were shading it in, starting from the end and bringing it only close to the front, not all the way, just dragging it. All right, you can see. Recording. I can bring it out right now. All right, and we're gonna do the top now. A little more. And voila. All right, so now we're gonna blend it out. I take it upward. You guys can see that. Press down, pull up. Press down, pull up. Alright, and down, and the bottom. And now I go for the front. And there we have one brow down. I'll be back when the other one's done. Okay, I'm back. Now we need to blend it all out. Just get in the middle. Blend that thing.
We're gonna blend that thing. You blend that thing. Gonna pull it out. And pull it out. And then, that's when I get my beauty blender. I wet it just a little. And then, go around the surrounding areas. And go so crazy and wet it.
Blend. Okay, I hope that wind's not too loud. Maybe I should close this. Because I'm really not even sure how. This probably makes a huge difference. God damn it. Not. The last step to this eyebrow tutorial is putting primer on your brows. Now this is an e.l.f. primer. I'm going to get a different one because this one, if you are not careful, it will make your brows ashy. I'm sure it's just for a concealer, but hey, I put it lightly on my eyebrows, lightly on them, beginning to end. See, right there I put a little too much. And then I get a spoolie. Steal these from makeup stores. Get you a bunch. And then brush it out. And brush it over. Brush it out. God damn. And brush it over. And boom! You got brows, baby! You got brows. So, that's it for this tutorial. Here are my everyday brows. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. Hubba Bubba Mac.